So this has to be rectified. So how are we going to rectify that? So if you could see, if I just run, the parts are directly going. It's not working. The process flow is not working. So what has happened is that the event source which we created, it is based on the travel, transport reference. And if you see in the queue here, there is nothing, we haven't used transport because we just unchecked those from the processes and the queues which were used in our standard logic. So what we need to do here in use transport, we need to have that checked, but we need to change this to no transfer reference. So no transport reference is going to assign no operators from the 3D object, but it is going to create a trigger for us in the process flow. So now if you see the process flow here, we are using the operators to transport the thing, and if you see, the tokens are visible in the process flow now. So if you see that standard 3D logic which was working at the top out in there is similarly rectified here in the bottom by using process flow. So we created source, load, unload and save. Okay, so if you have any queries related to this tutorial, let me know in the comment section below. You can reach us out also from our website leansimcorp.com. Now what you're gonna do is, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, do subscribe, like, share and subscribe. So what we're going to do now is we are going to add one more activity in the process flow so that we can see how that can be added and created by using process flow in Flexsim. Okay, so we have successfully replicated standard 3D logic using process flow. Now let us modify the process flow and do some more advanced logics by using the process flow. Now what we're going to do is we are going to create one more station which can be a scan station or something like that. Let us add it out here and let me rename that as scan station. Okay, so we have the scan station out here. So I hope you would have been understood that what we're going to do. The operator has to come to the station to get it scanned and then delivered to the processors, and that we're going to do by modifying it in our process flow, because doing it conventionally by the standard thing is very difficult. So now what we're going to do is we need one more activity, and that is going to be travel to the object. Let us have that into the place, and we need one more thing, that is scanning, and that's where we need one more activity, that is going to be a delay activity and the travel activity. In this travel, task sequence is perfect. The destination is something which has to be modified now. Okay, and the next thing what we are supposed to do is that the delay time, right? And then in the delay time, what we're going to do is we're going to make it the delay of 1 minute, and let us keep everything else same. Okay, so the operators now need to do is they need to come to this area, get it scanned by a delay of 1 minute, and then they should supply that to the respective, processors. Now, but the travel thing, the destination is pending. Let us directly sample it by using sampler, and let us move that in load and unload thing. Okay, so let me reset, run and see how that works. So now if you see, the operator comes to this area, they are scanning that thing. And once the scanning is completed, then they will deliver that to the processors. Okay, so this is how it is going to work. Now, if you see, these both are overlapping here, right? So we can make some delay as a very little. Let us make it as 0.1. So if you see, here comes. So here we leave, right? So when the new part comes, you can see, he comes, scans, delivers. Comes, scans, deliver, comes, scan, deliver. So this is how easy it is to modify a process flow when you are going to create a dynamic process flow, because referencing and labeling is all what we created at the top. Okay, and this is how you can create a task logics by using process flow in Flexsim. Okay, so now let us understand some of the conclusive thing for this tutorial. Okay, that now we have built this transportation task in process flow. You can see here are some of the advantages. Okay, so we are having an ease of use, like the standard logic. Setting our process flow isn't too difficult, but does involve some more steps, and it is fairly intuitive. The logic is more visible. Building the logics in the process flow helps you to see exactly how the operator will perform the task. The process, chart or the flow chart, like visual of the process flow, can make it more intuitive, which makes it easy to debug, troubleshoot, and decide custom tasks. And when we talk about the ability to customize, unlike the standard logic, it's relatively easy to make custom logic using process flow. Okay, so just like adding one more activity of scanning and delivering that, those becomes very easy when you are going to use the process flow element. Okay, so that is the advantages of using and having process flow into the system in Flexsim simulation. So this was about task logics to be created using process flow, and the difference between the standard logics and the process flow, and creating a customized process flow. In the next video, we'll understand about how we can make a task logics using list. Okay, so stay tuned on Leansimcorp for exciting tutorials related to simulation and engineering. Let us meet in another interesting video on your favorite Leansimcorp channel. Till then, keep watching, sharing the videos, and don't forget to visit our website leansimcorp.com. Bye-bye. For premium content, do not forget to visit our website leansimcorp.com, where you will be getting all these premium contents available. So talking about what things you're going to get in, you're going to get in simulation solutions. You're going to get premium training classes for simulation stuffs. You will be getting 3ds model file support. You can buy modules. You can access to simulation case studies. You can visit our services. Also, you can visit the blogs which you're going to get. So I was talking about simulation solutions, right? You can schedule one-on-one session with us, for training and details. You can access our digital assets like learning center. Okay, so here comes the booking online appointment. Talking about training classes, you can access premium training classes. Once you are going to purchase our subscriptions, you will be able to access our training classes which are listed out here, and these are continuously getting upgraded, guys. Talking about blogs, here we bring in blogs from travel experiences, health, devotionals, like industrial engineering, personality development, simulation tech, and lot more interesting and exciting. So do not forget to visit our website leansimcorp.com for premium content, blogs, and lots more.